Hi, in this section we'll see how to make calls from the data which is allocated. For that, you as a user have to click on this icon, which is the second icon from the bottom. You can here see the list of the cases which are allocated to you. Suppose I want to make a call to Suresh Kohli, I can make a call directly by clicking here, or I can click Suresh Kohli, see the details of the allocation and initiate a call by clicking here. Do remember to make a call from your official SIM. So suppose this is my official SIM 1, and I initiate the call. So as soon as I initiate the call, you can see here a pop-up which appeared on the screen. So you can see here the details like the customer name, etc. You just click on the add interaction. Once you click on the add interaction, you can fill all these details while doing the conversation with the customer. In case you want to disconnect the call, or the call is disconnected, after that also you can fill all the details. So in this case, let me try filling up some details. Suppose the source of this call is job portal, and I want to say that this customer is not interested reason I want to put, and I want to basically put some remarks here. Spoke to the customer is currently not interested in the product as it is not relevant to him. Alright, as you can see, this is voice to text option. You can dictate to convert your speech to text, and if you want to select the priority, you can select the priority, or you can ignore it and submit. That's it. That's how you basically make a call to a customer from the allocation list and capture the information during the call or after the call. Thank you.